Welcome to Engineers Academy. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification for the upcoming videos. Now we are going to solve this problem 200. So it is from 6th edition. So in this problem it is said that the 70-meter microwave transmission tower is steadied by 3 guys cable is shown. So this is the 70-meter OA transmission tower, right? And it is said that cable AB carries a tension of 12 kilonewton, right? So this cable carries a tension of 12 kilonewtons. So it is said that express the corresponding force on point B as a vector. So we need to represent that tension as a vector at this point B, right? So if I represent that vector, so it will be like this. So this will be that vector. So this will be that. Let's suppose if I write that this is TBA, right? So we need to find this vector. So now in this problem we are given the coordinates of this point B and this point A, right? So this will give us the direction vector of this tension, right? So if we want to find this TBA, so it will be equal to, so this vector will be equal to the magnitude of this, right, times the direction vector or the unit vector. So I will write this NBA unit vector. So the magnitude is given, so this magnitude is 12 kilonewton, this is given, right? So I will write that this is 12 kilonewton given, right? So now we need to find this. So NBA unit vector is equal to BA vector divided by the magnitude of BA, right? So if I find the coordinates of this point A, so to reach this point A we will only travel in the y direction, right? So this is the x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0, and the z coordinate will be plus 70, right? And similarly to reach this point B we need to travel 35 meter in the x direction. So I will write the coordinates of B. Let's suppose that the B coordinates are x2, y2 and z2, right? So x2 is equal to 35. We need to travel 35 in the x direction, right? And in the y direction we need to travel 25 meters. So y2 is 25 but minus 25. We need to travel, this is the positive y direction, so we need to travel in the negative y direction, so this will be minus 25. And similarly to reach this point B we need to travel plus 10 in the positive z direction, so I will write plus 10, right? So these are the coordinates of point A and these are the coordinates of point B. So what we will do is that we will write, so we will subtract the corresponding coordinates of B from A, right? So we will write that, let's suppose if these are x1, y1 and z1. So I will write x1 minus x2 I less y1 minus y2 j plus z1 minus z2 k, right? And we will also find the magnitude, so the magnitude will be equal to the x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square and under the root. So this will give us the magnitude, right? So this unit vector will be equal to x1 is how much? X1 is 0, so 0 minus 35 I plus y1 minus y2, so again y1 is 0, so 0 minus and y2 is minus 25 and z1 is plus 70 minus 10 k, right? And this will be equal to minus 35 whole square. This will be equal to plus 25 whole square, and this will be equal to 70 minus 10, so it will be equal to 60 whole square. So this will give us the magnitude. right? So now if I solve this, so this will be equal to minus 35i plus 25j and plus 60k divided by this magnitude. So let me solve this magnitude. So we get this magnitude 73.82. Now if we divide this numerator by this denominator, so we will get that unit vector. So this is equal to, so when we solve this, so we get this unit vector. Now if we put this in this equation number 1, so we will get that tension vector TBA, right? So this TBA will be equal to, the magnitude of TBA is 12 kilonewton. We will multiply this 12 with this unit vector, right? So it will be minus 0.474 I plus 0.339j plus 0.813 k, right? So if we multiply this, so we will get that tension vector. So now when we multiply this unit vector by the magnitude, so we will get that TBA vector, right? And this is that vector in terms of ij and k, right? This is the solution of this problem.